Welcome to the instructions video for the Transformer Sizing Interactive Calculator. This powerful tool helps you determine the correct transformer specifications for your AC power applications, including VA capacity, current ratings, wire gauges, and core dimensions. To use this calculator, start by entering your primary voltage in the input field. This is your source voltage, such as 240 volts for a typical mains supply. Next, enter your desired secondary voltage, for example 24 volts for a low voltage application. Then input your required power in VA or watts. The calculator will automatically compute the turns ratio between primary and secondary windings. Calculate the current flowing through each winding, recommend appropriate wire gauges for safe current handling, and estimate the core dimensions needed for your transformer. Review the results section to see all specifications including primary current, secondary current, suggested AWG wire sizes, and core cross-sectional area recommendations. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.